So in this video, you'll learn how to stop apps from waking up the screen of your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So whenever your screen is turned off, you may notice that sometimes apps suddenly just wake up the screen for no particular reason. So if you want to stop this from happening, all you need to do is simply open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll and select Apps. And then from here, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose the option Special Access. And then you want to scroll until you find Screen Turn On Control. Select it. From here, you should see the apps that have permission to wake your screen. So all you need to do to stop the apps from doing so is just tap on the toggle next to them. And once you've done that, the changes will be applied onto your phone. And now the Messages app and the Google Play Services app will stop waking up your screen randomly or whenever you receive notifications. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.